This is Matt, and in this video I will show you how to access dark mode in Gmail. So we're in Gmail, I'm logged in, you should be too with your Google account. I happen to be in the spam section right now. There's no emails here, so there's nothing to see, so I don't have to blank anything out when I'm making these videos, so that's good. And there's no spam here, awesome. Right, so from here, we are going to hit the settings icon, a little gear cog in the top right. And from there, we don't click on see all settings, we need to come down to theme. You see here the default theme is selected. Let's click on view all. So we hit view all. Now there's tons of different themes. If you've never seen this before, there's actually a whole bunch of different themes you can use. But to get dark mode, which is what this video is about, you've got the soft gray, you've got the blue. That's the default, and that is the dark. So the dark, I mean, it looks as dark as night. It doesn't look very appetizing, to be honest, from here, as it's just one big block of color. But as you'll see when I click it, it's going to actually look all right. It's going to look like a proper dark mode that you'd have on your computer in other places. So we're going to click on dark, and just like that, we get the proper dark mode. This is actually the official Gmail dark mode. You can kind of Google this and you find it is this one. You can look through, maybe there's something you prefer, maybe you want eggplant or mahogany or some crazy wood look, but you've got all these options. But that is dark mode. That is how you're going to do it. You click save, and as you move around Gmail, you'll see that you have a proper dark mode here with the kind of grays and the blacks and stuff right here, like a normal dark mode. So hopefully you found this video on how to get dark mode on Gmail useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.